Welcome to ICSE Class 10 Maths Tutorial. I am Qaisar. Today I am going to solve ICSE 2023 examination specimen question paper, Mathematics. पहले आइए एक शायर को सुनते हैं. शायर कहता है, इंसानियत के नाम को रुस्वा न कीजिए, इंसानियत के नाम को रुस्वा न कीजिए, मत कीजिए बुरा भी गर अच्छा न कीजिए, मत कीजिए बुरा भी गर अच्छा न कीजिए. थैंक यू. लेट्स स्टार्ट. There are two sections. Section A 40 marks compulsory. Section B 40 marks. There are 7 questions and any 4 questions to be attempted. In section A there are 3 questions. Question number 1 for 15 marks, MCQ. Question number 2 for 12 marks, 3 sub-questions, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Question number 3 for 13 marks, again 3 sub-questions, 4 plus 4 plus 5. So total 13. So 15 plus 12 plus 13. Total in section A 40 marks. Alright. Now, the first question, question number 1, first sub-question is the SGST paid by a customer to the shopkeeper for an article which is priced at rupees 500 is rupees 15. The rate of GST charged is the correct option is D, 6%. But how? That I am showing you few steps. Alright. Let the rate of GST, we have to find out the rate of GST, so let the rate of GST be R%. R%. Let the rate of GST be R%. Therefore, the rate of SGST is R by 2%. R by 2%. Now, according to the question, R by 2% of 500 is equal to 15. So, R by 2% of 500 is equal to 15. That is R by 2% of 500 is equal to 15. Now, 1 0, 2 zeros and here 2 zeros. They cancel. So we are getting R, 5R by 2 is equal to 15. Alright, you can cancel this also. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. And then you are getting R is equal to 2 3s are 6%. So R is equal to 6%. R is equal to 6%. Steps are not required. If you can guess that the correct answer is 6% and the option D is correct, you can write down. Alright? Okay. The second sub-question is, when the roots of a quadratic equation are real and equal, then the discriminant of the quadratic equation is. Second sub question. Second sub question. The question says that when the roots are real and equal, then what will be the discriminant? The discriminant is, the correct option is option C, 0. And you know, a little explanation you see. For a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant. Now there are three conditions. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, when b square minus 4ac equal to 0, greater than 0, equal to 0, or less than 0. These are the three conditions. Alright. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is, the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct, real and unequal. And when the roots are, when the roots are real and distinct or unequal, then b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. But if the roots are real and equal, then b square minus 4ac equal to 0. And this is our case. So the discriminant is 0. I hope it's clear. The third sub question is, if x minus 1 is a factor of 2x square minus ax minus 1, then the value of a is, and the correct option, I tell you, it's B. B is the correct option and the answer is 1. How? See, this is a third sub question. This is third sub question. X minus 1 is a factor of 2x square minus x minus 1. 2x square minus x minus 1. 2x square minus ax minus 1. Fine. Now x minus 1 is a factor of this. X minus 1 is a factor of this, therefore the remainder f1 should be 0. Alright, so f1 you find out, this is fx. This is fx. So f1 is equal to, why f1? Because it is said that x minus 1 is a factor. So x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, you get x is equal to 1. So f1 is 0. Alright. So f1 first we find out f1. f1 is 2. 1 square is 1 minus a 1 and minus 1. And this is 0. So 0 is equal to, this is how much? 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 minus a. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Alright? We got a as 1. A is equal to 1. And this is the answer. Option B is correct and the answer is 1. Okay? Now, fourth sub question is, given matrix A, B, C, D into X is equal to PQ matrix, the order of matrix X is, we have to write down the order of the matrix X. Alright, this is fourth sub question. Fourth sub question. This is fourth sub question. What is given? Given is this. See the explanation, because this will help you for you section B question also, if the concept is clear. If the concept is clear, then you can, it will help you there also. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. X is equal to PQ into X is equal to PQ. PQ. We have to find out the order of the matrix X. Now please understand, if you have A and suppose the order is m by n, and you have into B another matrix B and order is n by P, and if the product you are getting a matrix C, then its order will be this common, we don't write, we write m by P, so the order of the matrix will be m by P. Alright, and if this and this they are same, then only the product is possible. The number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, then only the product is possible. Alright, so if this is m by n, then this has to be n by something, so we are saying n by P. Alright, then the final matrix after multiplication, what we are getting, suppose it is C, then the order of C will be m by P. Alright, so now here in our case, this is given and this is given. M by n is given, this is 2 by 1, 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2. Please understand, this is 2 by 2. And this is 2 rows and 1 column, 2 by 1. So Mn, right, 2 by 2. 2 by 2, Mn. And MP, 2 by 1. 2 by 1, right? What do you want? NP. Your X will be N by P, no? N by P. What is N? N is 2. What is P? P is 1. So that means 2 by 1. This should be 2 by 1. Easy enough to understand? It should be 2 by 1. Is it okay? 2 by 1. Alright, so this is how we can find out easily the order of a matrix. So the correct option is option C, and the correct answer is 2 by 1. Next, fifth sub question, and the question is 57, 54, 51, 48 and so on are in arithmetic progression. The value of the 8th term is, I can tell you the directly the option. A option is correct. The correct option is A, and the answer is 36. But how? Let's see. This is fifth sub question. This is fifth sub question. Alright. Fifth sub question. $57, $54, $51, $48. We have to find out T8, 8th term, T8. So right now, 57, 54. So can we write down D 50? See, I'm writing 57, 54, 51, and so on, right? So D will be how much? D will be 54 minus 54 minus 57, and this gives you minus 3. D is this, the first term is 57, alright? So we can find out T8. T8 is equal to, or A8 you can write down, that is also okay. A8 is also okay. Some people write down A8. I write down T8. Tn, A plus n minus 1 into D. The formula is n term of an arithmetic progression. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T8 is equal to A is here 57. A plus n minus 1 means 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 into D. D is how much? Minus 3. D is minus 3. Alright, so this is 7. 7 3 is a 21 minus 21. So if we can write down 57 minus 21. And this gives you how much? 7 minus 1 is 6. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So 36 is the answer. What I told you, the correct option is, option A is correct and the answer is 36. Alright, so I hope everything is very, very clear. Okay then, thank you so much. Thanks.